Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on a HP Envy 6022E. Now, although I'm using this specific machine in this video, this process is exactly the same for every other printer in the HP Envy 6000 series. Now, whilst in these videos I prefer to do the cleaning cycles using nothing but the machine to make it as simple as possible, in this instance you need to use the HP Smart app to get it done. So if you don't have that already, get that installed on your PC or laptop. Now, with the app open, the first thing we need to do is go down to printer settings, and once we're in printer settings, you're looking on the left hand side here for print quality tools. So we click into that, and then the option on the right is clean printheads. Align printheads is for a different process, it's more for fuzzy prints and little bits like that. So we click into clean printhead, and this will take your printer just a second. And what it's doing is pushing fresh ink into the Cartridges printhead to try and dislodge anything that has dried along it and could be causing stripes or missing colours from your prints. Now, with the clean complete, we can take a look at the print quality report and look for any issues. Now, the colour cartridge uses cyan, magenta and yellow ink, so you can largely ignore these and just focus your attention on that. And as you can see, I've got a couple of little lines there. So I'm going to have to persist with some cleaning here. And the black is looking pretty good. We've got a few little lines on this unused machine. There's a few little hints here about how best to proceed, and if the alignment mentioned previously is a more relevant way for you to proceed. So it's certainly worth checking those out. If you've got any stripes or missing colours, like I've unfortunately got on my sheet, you can do a second level clean, which again uses more ink. But as the ink comes directly from the cartridges on this particular printer, it's better than giving up on the cartridges entirely. Another thing that's worth noting is I've also done this procedure with an unrecognised colour cartridge, and at no point did the printer really mention that it was struggling to recognise the colour cartridge particularly noticeably. So my print quality report here is completely absent of all of those other colours and without much warning. So if you're having something similar, or perhaps the black's missing and you've just got the colours, it'd be worthwhile going back into your printer software and making sure your printer is recognising both of those cartridges. But that's about all there is to see here. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.